Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial. We have some brand new products here to play with. We have our new stamps, which we are very excited about. This is our Herbs and Delights collection. We are revisiting our lovely Dreamscape papers. This is the Enchanted Forest collection. I have cut some papers ready because we're going to be creating this card here. So I just want to show you that you can use whichever colour background and the technique will still work the same. So let's get started. So we've got one of our little Herbelums here. We're going to ink him up in the Nocturne, that's the Versamark Claire. And then we'll just pop him down. Now we want him on a hill, so I'm going to pop him a little bit higher, more sort of towards the centre. Give that a good press. And remember, in this paper it's so easy to stamp onto as well. So it comes out absolutely perfect every time, because it's a non-fibrous card or paper. It's a very flat paper, so it stamps really easily. So we're going to ink up our little herb sign and pop that just at a slight angle. And then taking our larger little toadstool house, again inking up in the Nocturne. I'm going to pop that just above. I just feel like we need a little bit of height there, so that's why I'm popping him at the top. Now I know that the stem won't reach the floor, but we can just draw that in, that's fine. Just make it a little bit longer. So I'll just take my Posca pen, just take that down to the ground. And then I've got some of my other mushrooms here. Just maybe pop that one about there. And then down we go. So that gives us a really nice composition there. Now what I'm going to do now is just tear a bit of paper for a hill. And then just line up that the best we can, covering the feet and the stems. And then taking a stencil brush, and I've got Midnight Blue here. This is the medium size stencil brush. I'm going to take that over the top. And just keep working with it. I want to make this area quite dark, especially the top bit. So we shall go in now with the Versamark Claire and our smaller stencil brush. And I'm just going to define that edge by going over with the black. Okay. Now that line now is a little bit harsh, so what we'll do, we'll go in with the Bermuda and a small stencil brush, and I'll just soften that edge. Okay. So which herb shall we use? We'll use the thyme, and I'm going to ink up in the Shady Lane. And I'm going to pop a little of that around. Such a lovely stamp this. It's great because it's really fine. It's delicate, you know. I'm just highlighting the edge of these toadstool houses. Maybe a little down the stem as well. I'm going to use a little bit of Versamark now and add some words. Make sure we get it the right way round. Okay, and then I shall use a little bit of our new King's Gold Mica. I'm just going to brush that over the top. You can see how it picks up those words just beautifully. I'm going to add a few more words to the top. And then let's pop some glitter down as well. So we'll do a little bit of glitter on the hill. And a little bit at the stems of the thyme. You only want to just drag that glitter up. You don't want thick lines of it, so just keep that pressure on and just drag it. It doesn't have to be all in one line. This comes in bits. And lastly, we're going to pop a few little orbs about. As I always say, dots make it that little bit more magical. And that's it. So once we frame that, it'll look really, really lovely. So you can see the colour, the different colours that we've used today. I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, and thank you for joining me. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.